So many Nigerians have removed their hand in this protest and said that the protest has been hijacked. But millions of people did not back down. The protest is still ongoing. In Abuja today, there is a 1 million march of the protest, being the 10th day of this particular protest. In Lagos as well, the protest of end bad governance in Nigeria. My people, no be small thing, no. They say they no go gree. After this one, say if the government think it's a joke, they are going to embark on what they call revolution in Nigeria. Let us go and look at what is happening right now. They say that the innocent motor himself have come outside to tell Nigerians that they should not panic or to protest, that Tinubu is going to make Nigeria great again. This is what the innocent motor said. There is another exposition that is coming up from this Adamu Gariba or Darwa Gashima, whatever you call his name. You know, these people, sometimes if they want to talk, they will say the truth. I want you to watch how Nigeria use Niger to fight the Biafrans and how they use Cameroons to come and fight the Biafra. Of course, we know, but it cannot happen again. However, my wonderful people, I'm going to bring up the videos for you to watch one after the other, and before we come back and continue, do not forget to see there for Blabber Gist. Please touch the share button and also like, comment. Make sure say you engage us so that we're going to bring you more updates as it is hot. Now I'm going to bring up this Adamu Gariba. I want you to watch this video from Adamu Gariba or about Adamu Gariba. Watch the video and hear wetin talk how Nigerians take use Cameroon and the Niger come fight the Biafran people.
It is actually not in the interest of Nigeria to have any military issues with Niger Republic, because throughout history Niger have stand up for Nigeria in many instances. I can remember during Biafran War, if you study the history, then there are some troops that came from Niger to support Nigerians in fighting against the Biafran War. And that same time, when General Gowon approached Cameroon to assist us to have a route through their borders down into the other plans of the Biafran control regions, I remember that time President Ahijo had to tell Gowon that for us to allow you to pass through that route, you must sacrifice Bakassi. If you don't know, that was the case that led to the present handing over of Bakassi Peninsula to Cameroon. That's why when they went to court, they won against us. We have to sacrifice Bakassi Peninsula, a very rich region, in order for us to continue to have the support of the Cameroons. They never wanted us. And even the Chad, our neighbor, remember there was a time they invaded our borders. It takes the effort of the former President Muhammadu Buhari, who was detained the GOC commanding Division 3, that fought against Chad and pushed them away from Nigerian borders. But Niger has always maintained friendly disposition with Nigeria. We've never had a single problem with Niger. In fact, for those of you that don't know, why we have electricity generation in Jeba and Kaenji that supply our homes with electricity is because Niger, there is a standing agreement between Nigeria and Niger that they should allow the river Niger to flow into Nigeria for us to build the dam. Not them building the dam, but for us to build the dam in exchange for us to give them electricity supply, to share with them the supply of electricity that we are generating in Nigeria. That is why I see even the sanction given to them against this electricity cut off and other things is actually not well thought out. Why? Because there was a standing agreement that they should allow their river to flow into Nigeria so that we can generate the electricity and share with them. Don't forget, Cameroon, our neighbor, also have a river Benue that flows through their country into our land. But they decided to build Lagdo. They built a very big dam that they use it to hold the water, you know, during the dry season and generate their electricity. During rainy season, they used to allow the water to flow into our country. That's why all the states or places across the bank of the river Benue get flooded every year. So we need to see that this is a friendly country. The fact that they have political issue means that we should have a way to solve the political issue diplomatically, not by war.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I have watched that video, this is the moment this guy at remembering Biafrans and Nigerians, what they did to Biafrans, what the Niger and the Cameroons do to Biafrans, and that is the reason why the Niger keep on coming to northern part of Nigeria, flying Russia flag. As we even talking now, Russia are confused because Ukraine is inside Russia as we are talking right now, and they are trying to battle that one there. So that one is a matter for another day. But however, Biafrans never forgot what people do for us. It is still in our heart and we will not forget. But the issue here is that these Nigerian people are the ones who come in flying Russia flag, because whenever it's like Nigeria, the youth I want to welcome them will bring one thing or the other. The government brought them in, brought these particular groups in, the same people they use for election, to use them so that some Nigeria will be scared away from this protest and say, hey, people have hijacked the protest, look at the Russian flag everywhere, people are trying to manipulate. The same people you are fighting are the ones who brought them in. So that help Niger are giving. This one now is not coming from government, but the ones, the majority of them there, they are using to vote are the same people who brought the flag for them to change all the whole narrative of this protest. But do you know what? Nigerians never give up. But I want you to watch this video of Innocent. Before we come back, I will show you what happened in Lagos and in Abuja today. Just watch the video of Innocent.
When things are going like this, I decide to come and talk to him and encourage him, because people must get patient. That this Mr. President, I know how he behaves. Let them give him time. Everything they want, they will see the better of Nigeria. They will give him short time. Let everybody calm down for him. I'm begging Nigeria for people to calm down. That they will see the better Nigeria from him, and I believe that.
Okay, apart from that, what should we expect as partnership between the government and Innocent?
Yes, government is doing their best on Innocent Motors, and the partnerships are going on, and in a short time in Nigeria, everywhere you go, you see Innocent Motors. Okay. Yes.
The info now is about CNG.
I started CNG about 2 years ago, and the first person that started about CNG in Nigeria. And as I come here today, the CNG issue of a vehicle issue will be over. I've discussed with them, and they will see that in a short time, masses, public, will have enough CNG buses on the roads.
So what is your own assessment of the government initiative on CNG?
It's the best idea. Government initiative on CNG is the best idea for transportation in this country, because CNG, a lot of benefit on CNG, using Nigeria to use CNG. Because that benefit is what I see before I started the factory to produce vehicle on CNG. Because I have started producing the CNG before the announcement. So today, everybody that tries CNG will discover that CNG is way forward for this nation. Yes. And let everybody get patient, because everybody knows that the former government sold oil, corrected the money, don't supply. This government is just supplying, they haven't get the money. So let them give them a chance. Everything will be okay. The way I see him, he wants better of this country. So I'm encouraging everybody to get patient, not to destroy our things. Destroy, you cannot benefit. There's no benefit to destroy. Our benefit is to remain and give him chance to plan for the future of this country. That's my own point.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, now the moment where the innocent car, the owner of this innocent car, is telling Nigerians to calm down, Tinubu is going to do something. So guys, what do you think about this? Do you believe in Innocent, or do you still hope that Tinubu is going to do something for Nigerians? However, that is matter for another day. Let us watch this video of what happened in Lagos and in Abuja today. Watch it from beginning to ending. You will see Abuja and you will see in Lagos side.
People power! 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 What are we saying? What are we saying? yes. Nobody can say no. All people say yes. Nobody can say no. 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 Nobody can say yes. Nobody can say yes. Nobody can say yes. Nobody can say yes. What are we saying? What are we saying? We are hungry. What are we saying? We are hungry. Are we not hungry? We are hungry. What are you saying? We are hungry. What are you saying? We are hungry. What are you saying? We are hungry. Are you hungry? We are hungry. Are you hungry? We are hungry. Are you hungry? We are hungry. Where do you want? We are hungry. Where do you want? Where do you want? Where do you want? Where do you want? Articulate Nigerian people. Police go shoot us. Army go give them order. Tribunal tell us. Even Allah make not tell us. Forever we must fight. Amen. We must fight. Amen. We must fight. People we must fight. Forever we must fight. Amen. Police go shoot us. Army go give them order. Tribunal tell us. If Allah make not tell us. Forever we must fight. Amen. We must fight. Amen. We must fight. People we must fight. Forever we must fight. Amen. Police go shoot us. Army go give them order. Tribunal tell us. If Allah make not tell us. Forever we must fight. Amen. We must fight. Amen. We must fight. People we must fight. Forever we must fight. Amen. Police go shoot us. Army go give them order. Tribunal tell us. If Allah make not tell us. Forever we must fight. Amen. We must fight. Amen. We must fight. People we must fight. Forever we must fight. Amen. Police go shoot us. Army go give them order. Tribunal tell us. If Allah make not tell us. Don't go and get them. We'll do your own. Amen. We must fight. Amen. We must fight. We must fight. We must fight. Happy no, we are hungry. Are you not hungry? 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 What are we saying? We are hungry. What are we saying? We are hungry. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? What are we saying? We are hungry. We are hungry. What are we saying? We are hungry.
Okay, my wonderful people, I want you to share this video, share it, and drop your own opinion in a comment section, because this is what actually happened. The people did not give up and people continued the protest, while others are saying that the protest has been hijacked, and while others are saying that the thing may go to another level. I don't understand. The truth of the matter is that Nigeria are not ready to wake up. All these things are ranting and noisy. They have not even done half of what the Jay-Z of Kenya have even done. Everybody is running inside. But however, this is a matter for another day. Just watch and share.